Don't forget to press the subscribe button and click the bell icon to stay up to date with all our videos. Hey, so everyone, welcome back. And this should be the last video of this series. And that issue which we were talking about could not be solved, unfortunately, because there are some issues with that particular library. So it doesn't allow any images from outside of the network to be loaded or something like that. So what we can do here is we can either have our own images saved in our system and can load it and display it, and there could be other ways which we can figure out later, because for this series I was not prepared for that. But at least we have something to show to any, like this project could be taken as seriously because someone has already done it. That t-shirt 3D JavaScript, I think I saw, yeah, here it is. So this guy has made this as his business. So this is a really good one. I showed you before, I think, already. And maybe next time down the road I'm going to try the 3JS. So that's a 3D printing thing. But this guy has taken it from the 3JS and he creates this kind of labels. So maybe if you want, you can make this kind of project. See this? This is kind of exactly what we are doing, just like we don't have these additional functionalities. But yeah, there's nothing hard in doing this. All you need to do and use is the 3JS. And this, you should check out this link. And yeah, let me go back to our project, and first of all let me remove this green line. So I'll go to t-shirt border. We need to go to border solid green. Yep. Okay. And let's refresh this. Just taking a bit. Right. Okay, great. So this is blue is our default color, and we can have this color, and I'll have orange, I'll have green, test color 1, and if I selected this one for Jeff Bezos, okay, we have his t-shirt right there for Jeff Excel. And yeah, I didn't configure that, but yeah, that can be done. Blue, green for Steve Jobs. Okay, Steve Jobs, which is good. Okay, awesome. This is for Steve Jobs Excel. Let's have one for the LinkedIn person. So we already have his t-shirt here. We can have a white t-shirt, which is looking good. We can even have a green or a red. Yeah, this looks nice for, I guess his name is uh, Weiner. His name is Weiner. Jeff Weiner. Yeah, Jeff Weiner. Alright, so Weiner, here is the t-shirt for you. And let's have, no, we don't need a logo, because here is the issue that if you put a logo, it might not save. So for this one, I'm just gonna hit submit and order, and there it is. This is a really nice looking t-shirt. I like it. Okay, so and the last one is theme 4, and the same thing, you need to download this image and show it here, because just because this is not gonna show in the background, I'm not gonna click it. But yeah, Barcelona, and we'll have nothing here. I'll just have dot 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 large and Leo Messi. Okay, if I do this, nothing's gonna go at the back. So, oh, it did. I think the reason here is a bit different. I think I know the reason. Let me see. Theme 4. Theme 4 change. No, not in this one. In image. It's not an image because we don't have the Barcelona image, right? So for. Oh, I see. Because not in all the logos, but in few logos you will get this error that there is a codes issue. Not all of them. So yeah, this might work. This is definitely not working, but this might work. And yeah, you can have this kind of image. Let's try another image, which is Real Madrid PNG. Let's try this. Should work. I hope it works. But there's another way that all you need to do is just to save the image and yeah, just show it on the screen or copy and paste it. So if I go, where is it? Oh, did I log out? Local 8000. Yeah, I think I did. Okay, not an issue. I'm just gonna go ahead and have this one. Okay, this is for some reason not even displaying PNG. Real Madrid, Adidas, let's try the Adidas one. Open image. Right, not this one, maybe this one. Open image in new tab. Alright, we have the image. Let's put it inside. Okay, we have this image. Let's submit it. Order, okay. Test, and let's see the order. Okay, so this Adidas image is not compatible, but yeah, if we have this where is it, the Barcelona image, it will work. So yeah, this should work. So this is based on the image, but it can be taken care of, so it's not a big deal. So thank you very much for watching. I've seen that we have got the views that per day almost like 6 hours of watch time people are giving us, which is great. So if you guys have any question, don't hesitate to ask us in the comment section below. And also, if you guys want to learn, we already have a community of people who are learning. So if you want to learn, also let us know and I can add you to the community, and yeah, we can go ahead from there. You can start a complete web development starting from HTML, GitHub, CSS, JavaScript, and we can even go into machine learning down the road because we cannot bombard you with machine learning right now. So yeah, let us know in the comments, and we appreciate your time that you are investing in watching our series. So thank you. And also, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to like all the videos. It does help us a lot. And also let me know if you have any feedback. I got a feedback that that bell thing was very annoying, and I felt the same as well. So yeah, I have removed it. Now it's gonna be just a silent, but this is more like a human tendency. If you don't see that subscribe thing coming over again, you don't subscribe it. So yeah, if it's more annoying, just let me know. I will think of something else. But thank you again for watching, and I'll see you next time, and have a good one. Bye bye.